Hey guys, this is Sonia and welcome back to my channel. It's very nice to see you all here again. So this is my second video and I'm going to teach you a few more Nepali phrases. And yeah, coming to the point, the first phrase is what is your name? So we have a ways to ask, we talk to people in Nepali. We either speak respectfully or casually, and we usually speak respectfully to the people who are elder than us. Okay, so when you ask respectfully to someone about what their name is, we say "Ta-pai-ko naam ke ho?" "Ta-pai-ko naam ke ho?" That is, what's your name, in a respectful manner. So in a casual way, we would say something like this: "Timro naam ke ho?" "Timro naam ke ho?" Okay, so yeah, we just asked a question, but now we have to answer too, right? So in order to say my name is dash dash. Okay, so my name is Sonia, so I'll just say my name is Sonia while answering this question, okay? So, Mero naam Sonia ho. So if your name is John, you can say Mero naam John ho. And if your name is Elizabeth, you can say something, not something, but you can say Mero naam Elizabeth ho. Okay, that's for the first phrase. And the second phrase we're gonna learn today is nice to meet you. So in Nepali, we say "Tapai-sanga milera malai dhre-rai khushi lageo," or "Tapai-sanga bhet-nu pau-da malai dhre-rai khushi lageo." So these are two sentences, and the first sentence is "Tapai-sanga milera malai dhre-rai khushi lageo." "Tapai-sanga milera malai dhre-rai khushi lageo." And the second phrase is "Tapai-sanga bhet-nu pau-da mo dhre-rai khushi chu." Okay guys, yeah, I am just making small videos because it will be easier for you to remember and come back. And yeah, hope you have a good day. Bye bye.